Today let's take a closer look at the Luom mechanical keyboard from YCCTEAM. My review of the NG300 is brought to you by CTC Tech. You can click on the links below to find out more about this company and the great products they provide. Before I go any further, I'd like to state that I did accept this free of charge in exchange for an honest review. So sit tight and enjoy. Hello and welcome to FM Review. Inside the box you get a warranty card, a single page user's guide, and this awesome show-stopping keyboard. The keyboard comes equipped with very responsive and durable mechanical switches. The keys are highlighted by individual LEDs that act as backlights for the keys and can be illuminated in 8 different modes, including Marquee. The keyboard has a full metal body for the raised keys to sit on, and the extra weight adds to the masculine image. Speaking of the image and visuals, this keyboard has a modern industrial look, and the gold color paired with the metal tubes and lugs gives it a steampunk feel, which makes a bold statement on any desk. And let's take a closer look, and here you can see the illumination for the caps lock, scroll lock, and number lock, as well as the floating bars that I mentioned earlier. And here you can see what I was talking about with the mechanical switches providing unmistakable feedback when pressed. Below the 6 rows of keys is an aluminum palm rest that aids in comfort when typing. And speaking of typing, the keys makes a relaxing sound when pressed that instantly melts away stress. Each key is individually backlit and can be used in any light condition. And from the side view you can see that the floating keys allows for greater visibility of the LEDs. Each key has a performance switch that actuates at optimal distance, giving you maximum speed and response, making this a pro keyboard for gamers. Performance-wise, the metal keys combined with high-quality, durable switches allows you to be an unstoppable force when gaming. Since each key is backlit, you can play under no light or full light and never miss a click, putting you ahead of the competition. The keyboard is fully accessible through key commands, therefore removing any software installs. You have access to 8 LED light modes, 8 game modes, and multimedia controls, all through key commands. The keyboard interfaces with your computer through high-speed USB 3.0 connectivity, as can be seen with this cable. They chose to wrap this cable in plastic coating that will allow for easy gliding over surfaces and around corners, and it will not hold the memory of bends as long as a braided cable. And so what do I think about this keyboard after using it for a while? Well, 8 light modes, 8 game modes, relaxing, stress-relieving keys, very responsive switches, a gold metal body, all make this the best keyboard I have ever used. As far as gaming goes, when I play Counter-Strike, I use WASD along with the mouse, and I have precise movement and controls. Matter of fact, I wish that my mouse had the mechanical switches like the keyboard does. And shifting gears, when I play Diablo 3, I can select my game mode with the key commands that the keyboard has and play without looking down or away from my monitor, because I know that the feedback is spot on. So if you are looking to get a gaming keyboard or you are looking to upgrade your existing keyboard, I would highly recommend the NG300 from YCCTEAM.